Misbecoming Her, Queen. Let's be real. Heartbreak hurts, but this isn't your ending, it's your awakening. You lost him, but you found you. Every tear was watering your next season. Now it's time to pour that love back into yourself. Get dressed again. Pray again. Dream again. Because when God removes someone, it's never rejection, it's redirection. You're not broken, you're becoming whole. Healing is a soft girl era too. You don't chase closure, you create peace. Remember Misbecoming Her. This is rediscovering yourself, rebuilding your peace, and returning to God after heartbreak. Remember for the day and always, she didn't fall apart. She fell back into herself. One last time, ladies. This is about soft life reflections. Always remember from Psalms 147:3, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. So always remember, ladies, I'm healing softly, and I am learning to rebuild with grace. One last time, ladies. Psalms 147:3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. And always remember, I am healing softly, and I am learning to build with grace. Love you, ladies. Have an amazing day, Misbecoming Her.